This Flying Dragon videos are going crazy viral on social media right now. This TikTok page has gained 116,000 followers and has hit 5.7 million, 2.3 million, even 9 million views on their videos. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself using 100% free AI tools. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So, to get started, first of all, click the description link and you will land on this ChatGPT Explorer page. It's also selected Flying Dragon Generation GPTs, so just hit Start the Generator. And it's going to give you 10 Flying Dragon scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more if you want more options. I'm going to go with number 6. Now, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. So, just copy the image prompt and head over to Flow AI, the link in the description. In Flow AI, click this filter icon, select Image with 9:16 ratio, and also select Nano Banana Pro for better experience. Now, paste the image prompt and press Enter. Wait a few seconds and it will generate your image. As you can see, it's amazing. Just download it. Now, time to convert this image into video. So, back to ChatGPT and copy the video generation prompt. Again, back to Flow AI. Go to Filters and select Video with 9:16 ratio. Also select VO 3.1 fast. Now, add Fly Drogon image in start frame and end frame and paste the video generation prompt. Now, just wait less than a minute and it will generate your video, just like that. Now, just download it. So here's the complete process to make Fly Dragon videos using 100% free AI tools. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.